Hippie with Hippie and the Tech, and today we are going to give you a rundown of what we're doing with our living room renovations. Basically what we're going to do is we are going to be pulling up the carpet because it's dirty and it's gross, which we didn't realize until we had pulled some up and saw what the actual carpet looked like. We're going to be painting the walls, we're getting rid of the end table and the dining room table, and we're doing a fold down table instead so that when we're not using it, the kids will have a space to play and hang out instead of just like right in the middle of the floor. We're also going to be pulling all this slide wood off and just replacing it with a stained basic wood. We're kind of, the vibe we're going for is just clean, modern, but like mountainy, hippie-esque goodness. You have to leave that in there. Now let's go to Lowe's. Back to you, Lowe's. Alright, I cracked myself up.
So we're at Lowe's and we're looking at... crap. Can you help me with this? Can you help me with that?
I can't pick it up.
We're just gonna wait for her to pick it up.
I'm gonna poop on it.
What was that? Alright, so we're looking at the woodland oak peel and stick. It's super easy to install. You just peel this off and stick it on.
I like it because it's more warm feeling than the other ones. So it's going to be this one. Which is nice, right?
Yeah, I like that one. When we got our house ready to sell, we used a peel and stick type tile. And it's really easy to use, so we're going to do that in the RV just to make it,
Oh, it's so hard.
It's made of wood. Alright, so...
I can't get over how dirty it is.
So this is what we're dealing with.
Yeah.
So this is there's actually a, there's a dip, but that's going to have to stay. So we may have to get like a little... We may have to do like double layer on the flooring there to build that lip up, or we'll maybe find something. But this thing here, when we pull this carpet up, and this, I don't know if there's like a
pull it, see.
You pull it up. It's impossible.
Come on, big man. Where's that muscle at? Come on, 210. Show me what you're working with.
All right, so
I'm just horrified in the color. It's
I know.
So gross.
I thought you took care of this place. But...
Shut up. I just...
Alright, so this, underneath here, you can feel it. The nailer starts like right here.
Pull, 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 pull.
God.
Just see what we're working with before we... This isn't looking good for you.
Alright.
Start in the corner, see if you can get
Well,
it.
Basically, we're gonna have to put the flooring out to here and then stop. And then when it's out, there's gonna be this gap here. There's gonna floor up here, there's gonna be gap. That's just, I don't think there's any way around it. When you pull this carpet out, it's gonna be about a ½ inch.
There is a way around it.
Dude, look at that. All the water.
Yeah. That's probably the cat puke from yesterday.
Oh.
She really did throw up yesterday. Right about there.
So while we're waiting to figure out what we're going to do with the floor, we decided to go ahead and pull down the slide trim piece, which we had to get some help in. We called in the big guns. We got Todd from Two Beards and Babe to come out and help us out. And here's the part where we almost kill Mel with an axe, but with her cat-like reflexes, she was able to move out of the way. So the rest of the trim piece came off pretty easily, and we started installing the LED light. It's just a 12-volt black and white wire, so it's really easy to install. We started laying out the tiles in a staggered pattern per the manufacturer's recommendations. This way it doesn't look like it's all bunched up. It's pretty simple to cut. Just take a razor and straight edge, you cut it, bend it, pull it back, and you're ready to go.
Well, that was the end of day one, and we got the slide out.
Why are you so chipper?
Let me tell you how I really feel. The end of day one, and we are beat. And we got the flooring done. We got the LED lighting installed on the top of the slide out.
We got a slide floor done.
Right. And then tomorrow we're going to try to get the slide stained, the slide trim piece stained, and Todd from Two Beards and a Babe is going to try to help us come up with some kind of fix for the trim piece for the slide out to have it mesh with the rest of the living room.
Handy men around me.
Yeah. And then we'll start on the living room floor and painting the walls and all the other fun stuff. So
handles. I gotta go to Hobby Lobby.
the handles, yeah. So
Big
Hobby
difference.
Lobby?
yeah, Hobby Lobby. So day one is done.
Yeah.
We're-
Oh, can we pull up that countertop and replace it with a piece of wood, stained wood?
We'll see you tomorrow.
Can we? Why would you answer me?